hydraulic anchor steps to tear down. First, remove the live slip screws. In order to remove the live slip, retrieve the piston and sleeve from inside the mandrel. If any slips are worn down on the anchor, replace them immediately. Use the piston extraction tool to remove the piston from the sleeve. What you're looking for is any wear or damage to the Viton seals containing the seal cup and the O-ring. Use the tool to remove the sleeve from the anchor. You should be able to feel when the O-ring loses grip from the sleeve. Remove the O-ring from inside the mandrel and always replace it with a new one.